Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. So in this video, I will like to show you the way how to create your own automation. And in this video, I would like to create automation for activating the low power mode automatically. So to do that, just open your app library and just tap shortcuts because the automation will be created from the shortcut application. And right after that, please take a look on this button features. There will be 3 options here, so you just go click the automation. And this automation, now you just need to go click this plus button to create the new automation. Now you just need to keep scrolling down until you found the low battery mode. Or you can also do this battery level. So you just need to go click this battery level. And the next thing you need to do is just decide the level of the battery that you want the low battery mode being activated. Let's say here if the battery is equals to 60%, so you can just go false below 60%, and you just need to change from run after confirmation begin run immediately, and then you just need to go click next. The next thing you need to do is find the set low power mode, which is this part, and then you just need to go click it. So whenever your battery falls below like 60%, the battery mode will be automatically turned on, and then you just need to go click done. And you're done. So now whenever your battery falls for below 60%, your low battery mode will be automatically activated. So that's for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.